First of all, thank you. And invisibly, I have been part of Coke Studio because I keep talking to Jaggi. I keep taking his class on lyrics, on music compositions, and I keep patting his back also for doing, with every season, the improvement and the addition of songs and everything that's been happening. And for my season, I'm most excited in this series because, like you said, every episode will have just one song. It would be a journey of one song, and I have not heard, say, semi-classical form of music in Coke Studio till now. So I'm most excited to do a Thumri or a Bandish, maybe my own composition, or Jaggi has been now telling me that maybe I'll collaborate with Sachin Jiga. So we'll see. But I'm most happy about that, because for a long time I've been wanting to do something, and I've been like, it's been a process of now, I can say 7-8 years that I've been composing my own bandishes and tumris and whatever my reflections are about the music I've heard, I've learned, I've absorbed, I've listened to, and I've grown up with. So this is the opportunity I'm getting and the freedom, to do that music. And the orchestration, the
Thank you.
production would be of with present music. Maybe hip hop with Tumri.
We
Who
look forward to
knows?
that.
So that's what
Thank
I'm
you.
most happy
Thank you.
about.
I have nothing much to do though. That's why I'm on Coke Studio every year. As you know, I don't see me anywhere else. But yeah, the same story. We want to do something. We have freedom of expression here. We have freedom of thought. We are not helping anybody else's story to be narrated. This is our own stories we can narrate here, which is very nice. So I'll do another story of mine. Maybe it'll be like a Chand story, or maybe, maybe what's not so happy, So, yeah, maybe we should be able to, through happiness, opening happiness through Coke, maybe we should be able to now talk about things which are happening in the country, otherwise also issues which we can bring up, because artists have a responsibility. I'm not saying very heavy things, but yeah, we can do whatever we want to, which is very nice. Thanks to Coke Studio at MTV that, starting from music to the script to everything, they don't tell us what to do, which is beautiful. So
That's why you guys like Coke Studio. Nobody tells you what to do. That's the simple cheese, Rebu.
That's
stay
why
that
we like
way.
MTV.
Let's keep